If you're interested, I got a few things on the tailgate for sale. Helps to frame my fuel costs a little bit.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, I do about 20 shows a summer around the country.
Oh, yeah?
It's kind of a museum on wheels now rather than just displaying the truck.
You have one or not? M79?
Yeah, hang on to do it.
But do it with an A1 Canard Corporation?
No, that's actually a paintball replica.
Oh. That works for
So close looking to the real thing. They were, yeah, but they've been disarmed.
Okay. The ones I shot were fake. You didn't explode. You know,
I was a crew chief door gunner, and our gunship had the.
they said you guys are up using sites. They're always listening to sites.
You got used to it.
Yeah. They never use
It was like a water round. You knew the fucking angle. You knew the got getting close enough to it. Yeah.
I was a setup man there when I worked in night.
Yeah.
security.
Yeah,
I sent my flight home.
We're finding. They're all done. Well, how did they originally come together? If they didn't, we can't put the tab on. You know what I mean? I asked you, wood and all that, but we're just saying, every truck I've seen, I can't imagine that.
That big round here, that's 30 mil off the
Yeah, I could see that happening.
Well, you know what I can buy?
Maybe for something different. There are a lot of them
Over 36 inches. It's like a $8
different countries made them. They did a little push. Every European country over they manufacture with 50 AK-47.
I don't think, when you look at the way this lines up, it almost looks
Should
like.
be marked somewhere on it who made it or what it said.
So you might even find a little.
They gave me the water packet.
Okay, that's nice.
Floor pan.
I retired. I'm out.
Yeah.
I got a few. I was getting a hard
I have a phone. Let's see if that's correct.
My father had still had the muzzle flare on it.
We have to put
Flash
we have to put it in a heater and filled up with water.
You from this area?
Oh, Bear Creek.
Guys, guys, we might have to eat them.
I know how to get to here. I'm from Massachusetts.
I do.
This is, I know how to get to this show. You give me 5 miles either way. I don't know nothing. Right here. I got to do 42 miles an hour.
Yeah, I know. I got an M37. I never
Same
came-
chassis.
Yeah, but it's the regular one.
Yeah.
I never took it to show. I never. Mine is a lot of fun.
Still have fun with it. Yeah. Got that body driving. They don't charge you nothing. Come here.
I know. I never was at a parade. You ever plugs in yours? I was putting in. No.
I just turned the volume down.
That's the biggest problem I have with mine. It's noisy.
Yeah, just who the hell's gonna say anything? And it'll drown the noise out a lot.
Yeah.
I put it whether you're running with the windows down anyway.
I put it under the hood and everything. I got the
Because when I push in my clutch, and it ain't spinning, half the noise goes away.
Yeah.
It's 40 minutes
I'll tell you one of the things that'll help you out. I don't know how long it's been since you ever serviced all of this stuff. Change the original oil out to a synthetic weight. Wind it down and it'll run much smoother.
I have the, it ain't the same engine, I got a diesel in mine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Cummins diesel.
Oh, okay. So is the granny still the same though?
No.
Oh, everything's
5 speed.
in-house.
5 speed.
Because I run all synthetic in this.
No, I put that in. It's
And I put
diesel.
Rotella 1540 in the engine. But this is all original.
We're just going Something went wrong.
Steering with brakes.
But still, have fun with it. You got it.
Oh, I do. I take it almost 3 times a week.
Look at here. People would love to see what you've done with it.
I have it about, since I finished it about a year and a half.
Why to make it fun to use?
Well, the engine, I didn't do. That's beyond my
Doesn't matter, but they can look at it and see what somebody did. It's good education for people. And you get the fun of bringing it down here.
Well, when you come here, what do you just come in and park?
Yeah, they don't charge you nothing. And they get you a free pass to go inside.
Does it? Oh.
Or get a wristband.
Oh.
Free.
A tire hammer? Yeah.
Yeah, I was doing
I asked. What is
The company that specializes, K2, I think it is. The letter K, Tool.
Am I gonna limp it on me? And with the
No matter what, I make sure I'm not a cool guy at all. I saw where you could send away, they wanted like, in the military books. Remember Military Vehicles, the magazine?
Yeah, I get it. I'm part of
Yeah,
that
but
club.
they changed it. They have military
Yeah.
vehicles and, what the hell is it? It's combined with the two of them now.
Yeah.
But I don't like it. What the heck's the other stuff?
They go to Canadian.
Army. Remember